Hello everyone, it's Miyako. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna make a Oni Manjyu. Let's get started. Do you know Aichi Prefecture? There are a lot of traditional Japanese sweet shops in Aichi because of the culture of the tea ceremony is rooted. And then, the production of red bean bun is the highest in Japan. The origin of the name of Oni Manjyu is a demon. So here goes the main part. My friend Kinako-chan will narrate. Kinako-chan!
Hi everyone, it's me, Kinako. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Onimanjyu. Please look at these ingredients and directions. First of all, boil the steamer. Prepare these ingredients and cut the parchment paper into 5 cm. Peel the half amount of sweet potatoes. Dice the sweet potatoes. Change the water a couple of times and drain it. Put it in the bowl. Put the sugar, mix it and let the dough rest for 20 minutes. You can prepare the parchment paper. Add the flour and mix it. Serve it like the mountain shape. Line them in the steamer and steam it on medium heat for 15 minutes. And it's done! You can keep it in the fridge for 2 days, also you can freeze it. Please microwave it before you eat. Thank you for watching. Where is our next trip? See you!